Hello, everybody. This is Michael Pucciarelli, creator of Still Life and Landscape of Michael Pucciarelli YouTube channel. In today's, webinar, I'll be talking about all my still tables. So this is like a history of all my custom tables I made from, worn down bookcases. I'm going to start with the smallest. I'm going to get to the biggest. So we're so there's a lot of new tables and stuff I modified and created. This table is a simple table where I could hang a piece of jewelry, and all my tables, they have like L brackets. And these L brackets are, you can buy these at any hardware store. Here's a black L brackets. Sometimes I buy the 1 inch, sometimes I buy the 1.5 inch to 3 inch. So L brackets, black or not black, they come valuable in all sizes. This is another table I could use for still life. I just used to use it, the whole thing. So what I could do is, so this could be, black foam board. It could be black plexiglass. I'm just using a coffee thing for demonstration. So I could use this too. So what I can do, this is a table, and this is a table. And this could be like a low table, and this is good for light painting, from a high angle, where if you want to get the shadows out in a different way. And this table is the same thing. I could use it like this. I can use it like this. And this table, I use to hold things like my little stereo and some magazines. But I could use this as a tilt table, like the other table I just, and I could, so I could just, this could be a table. And this could be a table with a thing. I could use a wider piece of foam board, a wider for the, floor background. This is a small table. This is something I decided I could create a small table, but I decided to use this to hold things where you could just put stuff on. And these little rods here, they hold the shelves. A lot of times I just like to use little wood for shelves. And this is good for small stuff like, I don't know, my keys, wallet, phone, anything small. And I could also use that as a low table. This is another table, but I'm using this to hold my laptop, where I would have this on, the table. I'd put the laptop here. I would have the laptop closed. I would have the keyboard on top and the mouse underneath here. And this helps me do my job when I do presentations. And I could use it like this. I could put something for a floor support. Or I could use it, like the other tables I described. This table is great for, a bottle of wine, a solo product. Or I could have like I said, I could have a longer piece. I could have a piece of shelf wood. And this used to be, when I first bought this, it wasn't, of course, like this, but these used to be like a Staples book floating bookshelf. And the bookshelves are worn, and I took them apart, and I used the L brackets. And this is what I use for L brackets to hold things together. Black, 3 inch, 1 inch, 2 inch. And I have 5 to 6 of these, but I use this to store stuff like books. And these are convenient and don't take up a lot of space. And again, I use these for shelves, but I can also use thicker wood too. This could be a low table where, again, I'm using the L brackets and I'm just using these as shelves. If you want to, put a coffee mug or something, or I could use this, like the other tables for a low table. This table used to be one big long thing. I decided to cut it in half because I really felt like this is valuable and I feel like this is good for holding stuff. I could, of course, turn it into a lay table. I could store stuff if I want to put equipment, but I'm just going to use this to store stuff. And I used to have this hanging over my bathroom door, but I took it down because I felt like it was a better use for this. And I'm using L brackets to connect. And all my tables are painted black, the flat black. This table is composed of many things. This used to be something different, and I changed it. And now I just have, this is like coffee slate screwed on. And this could be like, if you're watching a Super Bowl, I could put food here. I could also turn this into a lay table. I got a nice background. I could put anything I want here. So this is another low table. Table over here, where I decided to make it into a bigger table. And I'm using these shelves. I'm connecting, the horizontal poles with these L brackets. These are L brackets. And I use many sizes. So like these black, because black is a cool color. So, if I want to place a still life, I would have no problem with this table. And I use this my last still life painting for still life. This is, a table. The bottom part of this table is it came from a bookcase, a folding bookcase. The bookcases were worn, so I decided to take out all the screws and rebuild this. And this is a new addition where I have this screwed on from the bottom. And I could use this as a texture. I could use this as a still life. And it's just coffee slate screwed on with, wood screws. These could be tables too, where, this could be like if you want to photograph something on the floor and the camera's high above. It's great for bringing out shadows. And I have 3 of these. I have another one that's even bigger, where, and of course, one of my neighbors threw this away, so I took it. And I asked him, of course, and I decided to paint this black. And this is great for a still life setup. You could turn it into a table. You could do a lot with this. Oh, let's see. And this is another, I could use this. The last thing, I could use this as a table. And this used to be, a bookcase You have a top, a bottom, and this wood over here is separating and also the shelves, the walls. So I decided, because I was cleaning up and this thing fell apart, I decided to take it apart and decided to turn this into, a shell. So it has three, shells. And again, I'm using, various size all brackets. So I made many, still tables. Still tables could be all sizes, and this could be a still table. You're going to hang jewelry, or you just want to. You can hang something. You can hang a piece of jewelry. I need to get in the camera, of course. I need that, so I can put this. I could, of course, hang something small, like maybe a watch or a piece of jewelry. So I showed you a webinar of all the still life tables I use. I made many changes over the summer. I'm trying to re-engineer things here in my condominium. So, and I use the tables, some more than others, and I use them in different ways. So if you find this interesting, maybe consider like and subscribing to, Still Life and Landscape on Michael Pucciarelli YouTube channel. So thank you for listening to this webinar.